You've probably heard bold claims that self organizing teams can deliver results 30% to even 200% faster, with higher quality and greater innovation. But has anyone told you just how challenging that actually is? And that these results are only achievable under the right management conditions? Many companies embrace agile practices, yet keep traditional management structures that inevitably sabotage success. This disconnect between management philosophy and agile implementation explains why so many transformations fall short and why AI implementations are at increasing risk. Today, let's explore how different management philosophies either accelerate or undermine agile and AI initiatives so you can finally realize or even exceed those ambitious improvements you've been promised. Self organization and cross functional collaboration represent cornerstone agile practices, practical mechanisms enabling teams to deliver complex work effectively. These practices require specific cultural conditions to thrive, making management philosophy critical. Self organization empowers teams to decide how they'll achieve their goals, making decisions about task distribution, work methods, and problem solving. Cross functional teams combine diverse expertise, eliminating handoffs and creating holistic perspectives. Together, these practices create responsive, innovative teams capable of navigating complexity. However, Theory X management fundamentally prevent these practices from functioning. When managers assume workers lack motivation and require constant oversight, they inevitably undermine self organization. Decision authority remains centralized, creating approval bottlenecks and eliminating agility. Cross functional collaboration becomes superficial, maintaining strict hierarchy within the team. This creates a dangerous implementation gap. Organizations adopt agile practices structurally while culturally maintaining theory X thinking. Teams go through the motions of stand ups, planning sessions, and retrospectives, yet lack autonomy to implement improvements or make meaningful decisions. The inevitable result is zombie agile or agile theater, lifeless ceremonies generating frustration rather than value. Theory Y offers improvement, yet falls short of fully enabling practices effectively. These managers recognize worker potential, providing more autonomy and limited self organization. Teams might determine tasks, yet remain constrained on strategic decisions or cross departmental collaboration. This produces inconsistent results. Some teams thrive within limited autonomy, others struggle with mixed messages of, you're empowered, but practices function partially and fail to deliver their full potential. Cross functional collaboration improves within teams and breaks down at organizational boundaries where theory Y hasn't penetrated. And lastly, Theory Z creates the ideal environment for agile practices. By emphasizing collective wisdom and long term relationships, these managers establish the trust essential for true self organization. Teams genuinely own outcomes, making decisions traditionally held by management. Cross functional collaboration expands beyond immediate teams, creating organizational networks that rapidly share knowledge and solve complex problems. Practices become dynamic, evolving tools customized by teams to their specific contexts, maximizing effectiveness while preserving core purpose. Consider daily stand-ups. In Theory X environments, they become status reports to management. On the Theory Y, they facilitate coordination yet miss deeper collaboration opportunities. It's in Theory Z organizations that stand-ups transform into genuine alignment opportunities, adapting to evolving team needs spontaneously rather than adhering to rigid schedules. Practical tools tell a similar story. Kanban boards and Theory X environments become micromanagement mechanisms, tracking individual productivity. Theory Y uses them for workflow visibility while maintaining and enforcing hierarchy. And it's in Theory Z organizations that we see them leveraged as collective decision making tools, evolving based on team learning. Same practice, dramatically different results based on management philosophy. AI implementation magnifies these differences. Agile tools increasingly incorporate powerful AI capabilities, from automated iteration planning suggestions to predictive analytics embedded within combat systems. Under Theory X management, these technologies quickly become sophisticated surveillance mechanisms that erode trust. I've heard teams complain, all this agile stuff is just another way for management to micromanage us. And that's exactly what happens when Theory X thinking prevails. Under Theory Y, organizations use AI primarily to augment individual capabilities, yet still leverage these tools to reinforce traditional hierarchical structures. Clear boundaries remain uncrossable, limiting true collaboration. In contrast, Theory C organizations create environments where AI acts as a genuine team member, amplifying collective intelligence without replacing or constraining human judgment. As AI enhanced tools proliferate, consciously choosing Theory Z implementation approaches becomes critical. Integrating AI assistance into iteration planning requires collective ownership and psychological safety, conditions only Theory Z reliably creates. Using AI to identify impediments requires trust that this information enhances team capability rather than triggers micromanagement. Moving towards Theory Z means redistributing authority, building psychological safety, and prioritizing collective outcomes over individual productivity metrics. This cultural shift enables agile practices to fully deliver their intended benefits: adaptability, innovation, and sustained high performance. However, keep in mind that theory X, Y, and Z describe an evolutionary continuum rather than neatly defined stages. Organizations naturally contain a complex mixture of these philosophies, and it's through continuous reflection and incremental improvements, not overnight overhauls, that real progress towards the Theory Z mindset is achieved. Says your organization honestly. Do your teams genuinely shape their approach, or do they just follow prescribed processes? Are cross functional team members treated as equal contributors, or does hierarchy dictate their roles? Do your agile practices evolve from team learning, or do they remain static? Your answers reveal whether your management philosophy supports or undermines your agile practices. Share in the comments what you're seeing in your organization and tell us if integrating AI is intensifying these challenges. And if you'd like to take a self assessment on where you stand relative to Theory X, Y, and Z management assumptions, click one of these. I'll be happy to tell you all about it.